My name is Sherry Beck, and I'm a longtime attendant of Marc and Susie's academy here. It's a great place to learn how to do anything with wood and other things. And what we're doing here today is pyrography. And the difference between wood burning and pyrography is that pyrography burns on other items like acrylic. So you can burn on acrylic. Pyrography will burn on anything. Wood burning is just specific to wood. And what they're learning today is this is an introductory class for pyrography. And what we're learning right now is skills to learn how to do the skew, the ball, and the shader. A lot of pyrography, if you can see some of the different things that we've done, this calf right here is a baby longhorn. It's all about the shading. And to get to this part, you have to learn these skills and learn how hot to burn the instrument, and then also how fast that you're pulling it across the wood. Because it's hot at the beginning, it will be darker, and as you slide it across the wood, it'll get lighter. And it's just so that you can see the different shading, the different things like here for this rose. You know, the shading is darker in the underneath the leaves, and it makes the leaf pop out. The other thing is learning to do the shading so it is very smooth, so that you can just see the gradation is just smooth until it comes to part where the light hits it. And so that's the skills that they're working on right now, is to learn how to control their wood burner. And all the people here have different wood burners, but you can do it with any kind of wood burner. And so they're learning those skills. And then tomorrow, or later today, we're going to start working on special pieces. We're going to do the rose, and then so they're going to use the skills they learned this morning, how to do the rose and how to shade it. We're also going to be doing some of these bookmarks that they can design their own bookmark, and they'll be able to do a bookmark. And then we're also going to do the feather. I don't have the feather right here for me. But then all these skills that they're learning today, we'll be able to do a project that we're going to work on tomorrow. And each of them will be able to pick something that they like to make a project. We have a lot of things here to do, and if you go today, there's a lot of different programs or classes that they're taking here at Marc Adams. I've been coming to Marc Adams since 2013, and I'm almost finished with my master's degree, and I love it here. It is so much fun, the people are wonderful, and the teachers are so helpful. And I'm sure that anybody could come and have a great time at Marc Adams here.